Hey lads, TechScanning here. So as we know, Google's upcoming phones have the habit of getting leaked well ahead of their launch event. And now when there is around 5 months as they typically launch in October, we have just received live images of the entire Google Pixel 9 lineup as well as some of their key details that sets them apart. So just like the earlier leaked vendors, the live images confirm the modified rear camera island which no longer extends from edge to edge but still giving the device a unique look, which is great. As per the leaked details, this time instead of 2, there will be 3 handsets under the Google Pixel 9 series. So the standard Google Pixel 9, Pixel 9 Pro and the newer edition Pixel 9 XL. Now the display size is one of the most noticeable things that sets them apart. The standard Google Pixel 9 will sport 6.24 inches compared to the 6.2 inches of its predecessor. However, in the case of Pixel 9 Pro, in comparison to the 6.7 inches on its predecessor, it is said to have a smaller 6.34 inches display. So now we can say both the standard and the Pro model will be identical in size. However, as per an image, the Pixel 9 will have slightly thicker bezels compared to the Pixel 9 Pro. Now for the newer Pixel 9 XL, it will feature a 6.73 inches display, which is almost the same as the current Google Pixel 8 Pro. Now for the cameras, not much is known, however the report says the standard Pixel 9 will retain a dual camera setup including wide and ultra wide sensor. The Pixel 9 Pro and Pixel XL will share the triple rear camera setup. There will be a wide, ultra wide and a telephoto sensor with 5 times optical zoom, and all of them will be 50 megapixel sensors. So it appears now if you want to stay with a compact device but still want to enjoy Google's most powerful camera setup, there will be a Pixel 9 Pro while the Pixel XL with a bigger screen. Next, except the Pixel 9, the other 2 higher models will feature ultra wideband. In case you are unfamiliar, this is used for more precise location tracking, data transfer and keyless car entry over short range. Moving forward, Google will also make some welcoming improvements in the memory department. So as per the report, the Google Pixel 9 will have 12 gigs of RAM up from 8 gigs, while the Pixel 9 Pro and XL will sport 16 gigs of RAM instead of 12 gigs. And all of them will have 128 gigs base storage. So it seems like the upcoming Google Pixel 9 series is coming with some noticeable changes. Let me know what you think about it down in the comment section. And of course, I will keep you updated as soon as there will be any more details. So be sure to subscribe and hit the bell button. And I will see you in the next video. Until then, take care.